y'all? We here, I'm getting my car washed, you know what I'm saying? We out here lit, man, like, on the side.
This tells no cap.
No call it a comeback. It was dark.
I gotta go to Atlanta tomorrow. I might go to a party tonight, I don't know. But yeah, that's about it, man. Like, I don't really got nothing to do. Y'all probably looking at me like, why does this nigga got on a purple shirt and an orange vest? Nigga, that's my school colors. But shoot. Anybody in ACL tomorrow, hit me up. Hey, it's Ray Rush the Savage. Hold on, y'all. I'm in here getting my car washed or whatever. I can't really see. Let me see if I can turn the light on. Hold on. We're going. Dang, I can't even. I still can't see. Can you see this? Am I tripping? Oh, I'm zoomed in. I'm about to say what's going on. Anyways, Ray Rush the Savage. I'm out here getting my car washed. I'm about to vacuum it out. Ray Rush the Savage, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I shouldn't keep this from you any longer. I'm about to call YouTube and get them to say how much I make on YouTube right now, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what happened, because like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all about to see how much I make on YouTube. What was that? That was weird. It's a ringtone. I don't know what to say about that. Yep, it's YouTube. Oh, hey, how you doing? Look, I was just wondering, like how much I made on YouTube. Like, how may I help you? I just said, like, how much. Okay, so my name is Ray Rush the Savage. You know what I'm saying? I want you to tell my people, I'm recording right now, how much I make on YouTube. Wait, who is this? This is Ray Rush the Savage. Don't put no space between the Ray and the Rush. Who is this? I just told you who I was. Well, it looks like. Did you just enter? You make absolutely nothing on YouTube because you don't even meet the requirements to get. Chill. Hey. AdSense. Okay. And which also means you can't get brand deals and sponsors or anything. So why the fuck are you wasting my time? Hey, you don't gotta get no attitude. You're not gonna get no attitude with me now. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time for the bullshit. Look. What? Look at what, man? I had to get kind of outrageous. Yeah, that's what I thought. Man, I don't got time for this. I give you 5 seconds of my time. You see how this nigga talking to me? I'm leaving. I'm hanging up the phone. There's nothing you can do about it because you're not important enough. And yeah. This nigga just hung up on me. Well, looks like I make nothing on YouTube. So, please, subscribe. Like and subscribe!